Hello, my name's Richard. Welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a video of one of our fully prepared cars. This is our lovely 2014 Ford B-Max 1 litre Ecoboost Titanium. Car's covered 36,000 miles, does benefit from a full service history. We've had the car MOT'd for a year and we've had new disc and pads fitted on the front. Being a titanium model, excellent specification as you come to expect. Electric folding exterior mirrors. You have the multi-function steering wheel, which benefits from cruise control and audio controls on there. It's got auto lights and rain wiper sensors. It's got the benefit of DAB radio, Bluetooth music streaming. It's got Bluetooth phone preparation. It's got the USB audio interface and it's got climate control. It does have the sliding rear doors on these, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. You can see one open there. It's got the factory fitted rear parking sensors, the Ford Park Pilot system. So it does have the audible and the visual display on the colour centre screen. We're just going to move around the back here. You'll see that the rear door is slid back. These are superb for parking spaces in supermarkets. As you imagine, you haven't got a wide door open there when you're loading the family in. We're just going to have a quick look around this wheel. We will come back to this in a minute. We'll just show you in a moment the door in the slid position and come back and have a proper look at that wheel. Just look in there, as you can see, easy to load. Front door comes open as well. We've got a full load area in there as well. Nice upholstery being a titanium model. We just have the door shut, pop back and have a little look at the rear wheel, and you'll notice how it's neat and tidy it all shuts. There's the rear wheel. Nice alloys on these, got the 17-inch alloy wheels being a titanium. Has the LED front lights on this as well, which do look very, very smart. This car also benefits from 12 months complimentary RAC membership with home start, roadside assistance and recovery, and 6 months platinum RAC warranty.